Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognets again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem Pokemon Go codes on your Android device or your mobile. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem Pokemon Go codes on your mobile, first open up your preferred browser, not the Pokemon Go game app itself, but the browser you prefer on your mobile. I have opened this Explorer, and tap on the search bar like this and search for rewards dot Niantic Labs dot com like this, and tap on go. And after that, you'll be directed to the offer redemption page of the Pokemon Go. Now on this page, you can see first you'll be required to log into your account with which you had signed up for your Pokemon Go app. Now for me it was the Google account, so let's tap on sign in with Google and let's choose my account. And after that, you can see let's refresh this, and we are over here. We will be required to enter our offer code over here, and after the tapping over here and entering your code which you want to redeem on Pokemon Go app, tap on submit and your Pokemon Go code will be redeemed on this page. And so guys, this is how you redeem your Pokemon Go codes on your mobile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.